Hey guys, Morgan here, the Carolina Disney Girl, and we have some more unboxing to do. So we have another Boxy charm. This is a premium one, as you can tell by the size. Wasn't expecting another one so soon. We just signed up for premium, so we got the July and August literally within like a week of each other. So this is the August box. So let's take a look. All right, first thing. Yes, it is a facial roller. That's what I call them. So this is the Phoenix Rose Quartz Vibrating Facial Moisturizer by Lux and Willow. It is a vibrating roller to help you can achieve that post-facial glow without leaving the house. The vibrating tool helps to contour and tone the skin, while the cooling rose quartz sculpts the face and promotes blood circulation. Use with your favorite serum or moisturizer the results to maximize the results of your skincare routine. I just think it's really cool. My mom's been wanting one of these, so to get it in this box was definitely really awesome. Next thing that we got was something I'm excited about. La Rouge face discs. So these are hypoallergenic. They are reusable makeup remover pads. So wipe away your day with this alternative eco-friendly solution to disposable makeup wipes and cotton pads. It contributes towards a safe and sustainable planet due to its reusability and washability. The organic bamboo cotton has soft, plush fibers that will gently remove impurities. Its versatility means it can be used for different types of applications. So this actually has 30 different pads. And one thing I like about this one is there's actually a sponge or a cushion in them. And they also are different. You can especially tell, like this one feels a little bit more to scrub. This is going to get probably more the lighter stuff. And this is kind of like a mitt. So it's kind of like a light, medium, more heavy duty. Oh, okay. If I would have read the packaging. So the white one removes makeup. The gray, apply toners and serums. And the black is to wash your face. So that's really cool. And one thing that I do always want to point out to people, so like I have used reusable makeup remover wipes and stuff like that before, is you have to use at least lukewarm water. Lukewarm, warm. Don't do hot because obviously that's not going to feel good on your skin. So I'm super excited about these. All right. So next we have House Laboratories. This is a Glam Attack All Over Liquid Shimmer Powder. All right. So house the power of your own creativity with this versatile, multifaceted liquid eyeshadow. This weightless, smudge-proof liquid to powder formula is easily layered and blended so you always have the spotlight. Building up creaseless pigment intensity is simple, so you can dial it up or dial it down. The packaging's really cool because it looks like a crystal. So that is really, it's like, I don't know if you guys can really see it, but it's just like a nice silver. I'm actually super excited to try this because I like silver more than gold, or maybe some rose gold. So getting this in a silver. Oh, and if you blend it, it just looks all shimmery. I'm so excited to play with that. Yay! All right. So next we have Wishful Honey Balm Gel Moisturizer. So a luxuriously textured jelly meets balm moisturizer infused with honey to lock in moisture for up to 24 hours and soothe skin. The addition of turmeric root extract helps minimize the appearance of hyperpigmentation and unevenness, while niacinamide, I probably completely butchered that name, I apologize, brightens and visibly reduces the appearance of pores. Soothing lavender scent creates a relaxing, calming moment to enhance your self-care routine. So I would probably definitely use this at night because lavender gets you nice and relaxed so you can go to sleep. But oh, that smells so good. I love the smell of lavender. Oh, and this is like firm. So I feel like you're going to use a little bit. It's definitely going to go a long way. Oh, smells so good, guys. I love the smell of lavender. So I'm definitely excited to try that. And it doesn't say like only use it at day or night, but okay, it does say use daily, morning, or evening. And I would probably just use it in the evening because of the lavender, because it does help kind of calm you. In the morning, I need to be woken up, so don't need to be relaxed. I need to wake up. So, all right, next we have Zoeva. I think that's how you pronounce it. Powerful lip twist. So, all right, and it's in Hestia. I feel like that's like a goddess of some mythology. I feel like I've heard that name before. All right. All right. So, a lip twist. Hug your lips with high precision and a powerful charge of pigments. Shape and shade lips with smooth, creamy comfort and pure color. Powerful lip twist is boosted with raspberry stem cells and a strong moisturizing activity. The thin filmed finish is extremely adherent, never dry, and always comfortable. So let's try this hand because I just put moisturizer on the other. All right, see if it'll focus. There we go. So it is a little coral orangey. I have full lip on, so I don't want to test it, especially since it's not a similar shade. But I'm definitely excited to try that. Just not sure how that will look on my skin tone, but I will definitely try that. Last but not least, Ocea Sea Mineral Mist. Balance and soothe skin with a supercharged toning mist. Ocea's proprietary blend of nutrient-rich seaweed visibly evens your skin tone while minerals work their magic, cooling and refreshing. The aloe vera infused mist helps nourish sun-drenched skin. Microcloud mist is the ideal delivery system for plumping hydration. So that, and it's a nice glass bottle, which is always nice. Used to tone, refresh, or set makeup. It says store chilled if you want, which I feel like that would be really nice. Like after a hot day outside, and since I have makeup on, and you can use it to I was expecting like a sea minerals smell, and it doesn't really have that, which is not a good or a bad thing. It's just a interesting thing. So that, and nice and light on my skin. So that is the August box, the Go All Out box, which you can see from our previous video is the same theme for the regular August BoxyCharm box. So as always, we're going to take the calculator and let's see what our total is. All right. So first thing is the Wishful Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. This is $49. All right. And then we have the House Laboratories Liquid Shimmer Powder. This is $20. Then we have the Ocea Mineral Mist. That's $38. We have the Vibrating Massager, which to my mom, this is all worth it. $79.99. All right. And then we have the Zoeva Lip Twist. This is $14. And last but not least, the La Rousse Beauty Face Discs. These are $24. Coming up to a total of $224.99. And I don't know about you guys, but I feel like that is a great deal. So let me know in the comments below, are you guys getting the premium box? Did you guys get the same one? You know, did you get something different in your box? Did you get the same things? What did you like? What did you dislike? Just let me know. As always, guys, like and comment below. I appreciate any likes and subscribes. And I hope you guys enjoy this as much as I do. All right, guys, as always, have a great day. Hakuna Matata.